What would be your number one piece of advice to a person in the same situation where they've come from their background and they're incredibly skilled and they're brilliant at what they do? It's just not sales, but they do have to get on the phone. What would kind of be your top 3 pieces of advice to that person?
Oh, I'm glad you extended it to 3. I was like, just one, man. Okay, so my first one definitely is that, like, know your customer, understand the pain point. If we don't do that, we can't articulate and we can't have those real conversations and start understanding what problem we're solving. I think the second one, it's so easy to say, but I'm going to put it there, get out of your own way. But I guess maybe more realistically is recognize where you are getting in your own way and then look for help and support on that, right? So it's easy to say get out of your own way, but right, Lizzie, how do I do that? You're like, okay, well, recognize what you're afraid of and what you're scared of. And it's okay to be uncomfortable. It is uncomfortable. And then that's where you upskill and you look for help and advice. And then I think the other thing, that the third piece of advice I would give is, like, keep progressing. We don't ever arrive, right? And you've not done that yet. Yeah, if you're an early stage founder, you've not arrived and you've finished, like, you're always adapting. So whether you are, for us, it's a thing like virtual events are always going to be changing and innovating. Hybrid is the next wave. What is that going to look like? I am not only selling to customers, but I'm doing amazing market research to understand what is the service they are going to need in 6 months' time. So I guess recognize that a sales call is not just a sales call. You can get so much more information off the back of that.